If you're wondering how to get an N8N API key, it's actually very simple, but the option is a bit hidden if you're new. First, log into your N8N dashboard. This works the same whether you're using N8N Cloud or self-hosted version. Once you're logged in, from here, let's open Settings, click on Settings, and then click on Personal. It'll take you to this tab. Here, find API or Personal Access Token. Keep in mind, this is not available on trial scene. You have to upgrade your N8N. Now, click Create Token. Give it a clear name like Automation API or Webhook, so you remember what it is for later. After creating it, copy the N8N key immediately. This is important. Once you've closed the page, you won't be able to see the full key again. Finally, use this API key in your request by adding it to the authorization header as a barrier token. That's it. Keep your N8N API key private, never share it publicly, and revoke it anytime you think it's compromised. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.